Hello everyone, I'm Ash, and it's been few days since I got here in the Infosys Mysore campus, and today I got my Infosys kit. So let's see what is in the box. So this is the box that I got from Infosys. Infosys Navigate Your Next. That is its tagline. So let's open. And this is the key that I'm using of my room actually. So wow, fascinating, isn't it? This is something which I would read later, some kind of, I don't know what it is. So this is the bottle. Let me get this off. So riding the growth. This is the bottle with the tagline, and it's not plastic, it's metal, because Infosys Mysore campus is plastic free zone, so they have got me this. Next is, what's this? I don't know. Let's open the box. What's this? Like, what is this? Oh wow. Wow. So I'll figure it out later. This is something creative from Infosys. And next is a cup. It's a ceramic cup. And here is, what's this? I don't know what is this. And here is another one. And this handbook. Okay, a pen, and another notebook, I think. Let's open this.
The wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pine, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds.
Yeah, it's a notebook, or you can say it's a diary. That's all.